Step into your kitchen and pause for a moment. You've come home after a long day. There's nothing else you need to do right now. Stand or sit comfortably and take a slow, deep breath in and let it drift out. In your mind's eyes, notice the kitchen around you. The floor beneath your feet is cool and worn smooth with time. Shelves hold well-used bowls and jars, their edges softened from years. Light filters in gently through a nearby window, resting on wooden surfaces. These surfaces carry quiet history. In your mind's eyes, see your ingredients resting on the counter. Flour, water, yeast, salt, and a handful of fresh herbs. These herbs are from the small garden you planted by the window. Lavender, thyme, mint. Notice their colors, the soft white of the flower. Notice the vibrant green leaves, the tiny purple lavender buds. Feel the textures, the light dust of flower on your fingers. Feel the cool water, the delicate herbs between your hands. Begin to mix and knead. Hear the gentle rustle of flour. Hear the soft slap of dough against the thick wooden counter. Hear the quiet snap of herb leaves as you fold them in. Let these sounds replace the noise of the day. Notice the aroma, the earthy warmth of flour. Notice the calming sweetness of lavender. Notice the fresh, grounding scent of thyme and mint. It mingles with the familiar scent of the room. Wood, stone, time, and care. Let your shoulders soften. Feel the dough in your hands, elastic and warm. It responds to each push, pull, and fold. Notice its shape changing under your care. Rounding, stretching, becoming whole. Feel the steady rhythm of your movements, simple and practiced, gently easing you out of the day and into this moment. If your mind drifts, that's okay. Kindly and gently bring it back. Bring it back to what you see in your mind's eyes. Bring it back to the texture beneath your palms. Bring it back to the scent in the air. Bring it back to the simple act of being here. If you like, move your fingers slightly, as if continuing the motion of bread making. Feel freedom and presence in each small movement. In your mind's eyes, imagine the dough resting and rising, quietly, patiently, just as it has been done here for generations. When baked, the bread will be golden and warm. It will carry hints of lavender, thyme, and mint. From your own little window garden. Something nourishing you created with care. Meditation doesn't need to be long or still. It lives in moments like this, coming home, slowing down, using your hands to guide your mind back to calm. Meditation is that simple, taking gentle control of the mind, guiding it toward presence, ease, and rest. Take one last deep breath in, and exhale, letting the day fade. Settle into this quiet, comforting rhythm. Feel the peace. Welcome home.